Okay, look at baby Mel. He's 9 weeks old and he's trying to crawl on mom and daddy's bed. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. How is my baby boy? Say, I woke up from my nap. I'm still trying to push. Push, 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 push. Yeah. Oh, it looks like you spit up right there a little bit, huh? Okay, yep. So, yep. Oh, hello. Are you talking to mama? You're talking? Can you lift your head up? Lift your head. Lift your head. Lift your head, boo. Lift your head. You were just lifting your head. It was so cute. It was so cute. Oh, okay. Say bye, everybody. Don't look so funny. Woohoo! Bye, everybody. So we're going to take a bath in a minute. Oh, yeah.